Hey y'all, welcome back. Obviously we have a package. Let's see what's going on with this. I have something else that I purchased to go with this that came yesterday, but I wanted to get, we'll talk about that later. But Jesus, I want to turn the box. Ooh, this feels, you know, I love the texture of, well, I'm sensitive to, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Like, no wonder the girls are raving. Okay, so it has a charger, okay, and a remote. It uses, where's the hole? It's not a hole. It's the magnetic two-prong vampire bite looking charger, which of course I have multiple of those. Has a cute little, you know, remote. Yeah, this is, oh, you can do both at the same time. So like, and they're two, I did not expect this. This, okay, so obviously you plant it on there and you make it go to work. My goodness, the fact that there's a remote though, and we got a little pulsing. Oh, and you can turn it off from, okay, that's good, because a lot of these, well, no, it's still not all the way off, but you can stop the vibration from there, and then you just press the power button on the end there to turn it off. I love the way this feels, but give me a second, let me run and grab the thing that I was talking about. Okay, so I got this. This is a pillow. I didn't blow it all the way up because, like, I don't know. I was like, I need, like, you know, a little bouncy. I didn't use it. I planned to use it, which is why I didn't do an unboxing for it, but I still wanted to come and show you guys. So I was wondering what this was about, and what this was. Came with two. I read the thingy online. I didn't read the instructions that came in the box, obviously. But you blow these up, and you insert it, the other end of this, on that hole, because this hole goes straight through. I checked, I tried, I put both hands, and I was like, wait, I'm touching my finger. But yeah, you put this in there. I didn't blow this all the way up either, because I was, again, just playing around with shit. Put that in there, lay that flat, and you insert whatever toy it is you're using. Now, the thing about this is, a lot of my toys have dick and balls. Not all of them, but if you've seen the unboxings, you know that there's quite a few that do have the balls and like the suction cup. Suction cup isn't too much of an issue if it's like a regular small base, but if it's like flared, it's not gonna work because the size of the hole, right? So basically you would insert whatever it is you're using in here, mount it, and do what you gotta do. So I got this really so I can plant that there, so that for positioning purposes, because if I'm on the bed and I wanted to whatever, since I can't do a split yet anymore, whatever, this would help with positioning for this. Apparently other things too, so you know, haven't used it yet, so whatever. But yeah, they have this one, which is a little bit shorter than this. In case you wanted more of an insertion with this one, you would put this one in there if you wanted more penetration, and if you didn't want as much penetration, you would put this, because obviously size difference here. You got about, what is that, like 2 inches? I think that's more than 2 inches. Like 3 or so inches insertion, whatever, you know? So yeah, I feel like with this you can also not blow up the whole thing so that it can be shorter with either one of them. This is just to block the bottom so that whatever you're using doesn't fall out when you mount it. That's essentially what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna throw that on top and join the rodeo, see what happens. Anyways, just like everything else here, pointless talks, pointless unboxings, whatever. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Listen to me. There's 100 episodes now. We are at 100 episodes. If you have not listened to all episodes of Pointless Talks, what are you waiting for? Honestly, what are you waiting for? All episodes are on every streaming platform. They're here on YouTube. They're on all the things. Make sure you listen, subscribe, tell a friend, whatever. And just like everything else we do here, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unboxing. Bye.